Okay, okay. In this video, I'm going to show you why I've chosen to have Wealthy Affiliate as my hosting platform of choice. Simply because as a blogger and a vlogger, but mainly as a blogger, you need to have certain things that are done. Now, I want to show you here, this is what you get for your managed WordPress hosting. As you can see, there's an awful lot. You get private coaching, you can network with experts. You have private access to the owners of the platform. That works very well. You've got 24/7 website support, integrated training, website building, full security and SSL thrown in for free. It's on the Amazon C4 large dual servers, which is, you can't get more secure than that as a website owner. You just cannot get it. The hosting speed is extreme, so it's really, really fast. You can get up to 500,000 visits per month with the bandwidth, which is excellent. And it really is, when you consider this against other WordPress managed hostings, which I'll show you in a minute, you can't get much better, because look at all the things that you have. You've got niche keyword lists. You can do your own research. You have an affiliate program if you want to. You can earn while you learn. You get paid for doing your training. And there's all kinds of incentives there for what you want to have. Now, when you consider that against some of the other managed WordPress hosts that you have, this is some of the other ones that I've looked at, and I'm sure you'd have looked at the same sort of things. This is what you get compared to other ones. These all here are specifically for WordPress managed hostings. Look at the difference in pricing, and then look at what you get compared to the benefits that you get with the Wealthy Affiliate platform. Now, to me and to you, that's probably going to be a no-brainer to have. But some of them, Pagely does Amazon see-through medium, which is medium speed, but you can't get anywhere. I mean, if you look at that compared to Wealthy Affiliate, you can't get. It's a no-brainer. It really is. You can't get better. I've looked at all of these over the last month or so, and I've really come to the conclusion that you can't get any better than what you're getting here. I mean, it's half price, and there's nothing there that you can get included. So if you're using Pagely, then you really need to be switching over. But that's one of the reasons that I switched across to the Wealthy Affiliate platform. Well, not switched across to it, I've stayed with it. I research it every year to see if I'm going to get value for money. And on here, I do, very simply. So if you want to get your own, if you're a frustrated blogger, as I was, and you're not getting very much fun out of doing what you're doing, which I wasn't because of the way where my theme was and the hosting that I was looking around at doing, that really knocks it into a cocked hat. So that's, if you want to change across, the link is beneath this video to get your free starter account to try it out, and you'll be pleased that you did. But for now, thanks for watching it. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Don't forget to comment on it. And don't forget to hit the like as well. And I will do the same to your channel as well. So thanks very much indeed for watching it so far. Thank you.